Hi loves! Welcome or welcome back. Today's bridal look is soft, romantic and effortlessly elegant, perfect for any bride looking for a timeless glow that enhances her natural beauty. This look blends peachy tones, subtle shimmer and glowing skin to create something delicate, feminine and radiant. Stay until the end to see more shots of the final look. To begin the eyes, I'm reaching for a pastel peach shade from this Revolution palette to gently lift and brighten under the brows. I'm carving it softly with a short flat brush to keep the shape clean but natural. Next, I'm applying a muted peachy tone above the crease with a large fluffy brush, working in soft sweeping motions and winging the shade slightly out towards the temples. This adds a subtle lift and keeps the shape romantic. To deepen the eye, I'm taking a slightly richer peachy-coral tone on a smaller brush and blending this softly into the crease and outer V. The aim here is to build a soft gradient while keeping everything hazy and seamless. Using circular motions, I'll blend everything together with the first brush to blur away any harsh lines. Then, with a small fluffy brush, I'll bring that same tone along the outer lower lash line for a subtle balance and definition without taking away the softness. For that glowing bridal shimmer, I'm layering a soft golden pink cream shadow onto the lid with a short brush, blending softly towards the outer corner. Then, to bring in extra radiance, I'm pressing a whisper of light peachy pink loose pigment over the top with a small fluffy brush, letting it catch the light beautifully. I'm also holding a tissue just underneath to catch any fallout and keep the base fresh and clean. For definition, I'm using a dark brown pencil liner, but instead of applying it directly, I'm brushing it onto a short angled brush and sweeping it softly along the upper lash line. This keeps the line soft and blended while still giving the eye shape. I've extended the line slightly into a short lifted flick at the outer corners. I'm also applying a little of the same liner into the waterline for subtle depth. Finally, I'm adding a small pop of shimmer at the inner corners using the same loose pigment to brighten and open the eyes. A single coat of volumizing mascara gives the lashes a lifted, fluttery effect. I'm finishing the eyes with a mid-length lash that adds a touch of drama while keeping the overall look delicate and refined. Moving on to the skin, I'm using a warm bronzer and sweeping it softly under the cheekbones and hairline with a large fluffy brush to add warmth and subtle dimension. I'll also take a fan brush to gently sculpt along the sides of the nose and around the tip to refine the shape in a natural way. For blush, I'm layering two beautiful tones. I start with a muted terracotta blush and apply this in circular motions across the cheeks, then layer a soft peachy shimmer blush over the top for a glowy flush that melts into the skin. I'll also touch a little across the nose bridge and tip for that soft sun-kissed bridal vibe. To finish the look, I'm lining the lips with a rosy brown pencil that enhances the natural lip shape without feeling harsh. Then I'm applying a soft muted pink lipstick with a hint of beige. It's the perfect your lips but better shade for brides. To add dimension and glow, I'm topping it off with a touch of sheer peachy gloss for that soft glassy finish. And that completes today's bridal transformation. This look is ideal for any bride who wants to feel confident, glowing and effortlessly beautiful. It's soft glam at its finest, wearable, timeless and full of romantic energy. You'll find the full list of products used in the description below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, show it some love by liking and subscribing. It means the world to me. Feel free to share it with someone planning their big day or anyone who loves soft, radiant makeup. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more posts and reels. Thank you so much for watching, sending you so much love, and I'll see you in the next one.